Alright, let's talk about pedal boards. Not the ones you think are good because they look cool online, but the ones we actually built rigs on, gigged with, rewired, cursed at, and eventually fell in love with. If you're building your first board or upgrading to something serious, this list is going to save you a ton of trial and error. Let's go. First up, the Voodoo Lab Dingbat Tot Medium with Pedal Power 2 Plus. This one's like the Swiss Army knife of pedal boards. We loaded it with a full analog chain, drive, delay, reverb, modulation, and the built-in power supply made everything stupidly clean. No spaghetti wiring, no weird hums, just plug and play. The board itself is lightweight but solid, and the gig bag? Way tougher than it looks. If you want a board that's ready to hit the stage straight out of the box, this is it. Hit the description for product links and the best price we found. It's worth every dollar. Next, the Fender Professional Pedal Board. This one's got that clean minimalist vibe. We built a tight 5-pedal setup on it. Tuner, compressor, overdrive, delay, reverb, and it looks slick. The cable routing is smart, the finish is premium, and the soft case is surprisingly protective. It's not huge, but if you're running a compact setup and want something that looks pro on stage, this one's a vibe. Tap the description for links and deals. We found some solid bundles. Now let's talk about the D'Addario XPND. This thing is genius. It literally expands. We started with a small rig, then added a looper and a fuzz, and boom, just stretched the board out. No need to buy a new one. The grip strips are strong, the frame's sturdy, and it's light enough to carry without feeling like you're hauling bricks. If you're the kind of player who's always swapping pedals or experimenting with new sounds, this board's gonna be your best friend. Check the description for product links and best prices. We hunted down the good stuff. Alright, now the Boss BCB90X. This one's a tank. It's got a hard molded case with a lid, so you just close it up and go. We dropped in a mix of Boss and boutique pedals, carved out the foam, and wired it through the built-in junction box. It's super clean, super secure, and perfect for players who want to protect their gear without carrying extra bags. If you're gigging regularly and want something that's plug and play with zero fuss, this is the one. Hit the description for links and deals. This thing's built to survive roadies and rain. And finally, the Pedaltrain Classic 1TC. This is the touring standard. Slanted frame, solid rails, and a tour case that could probably survive a fall off the van. We mounted a Voodoo Lab power supply underneath, no clearance issues. And the layout made pedal access super easy mid-set. It's not flashy, but it's reliable, and that's what you want when you're playing live. If you want a no-nonsense board that just works, this is your guy. Tap the description for product links and the best prices we found. It's a classic for a reason. That's the lineup. All tested, all used, all legit. Whether you're building a bedroom board or prepping for a tour, these pedal boards cover every style and setup. Smash that like button if this helps. And don't forget, all product links and best deals are waiting for you in the description below. Catch you in the next one and keep chasing that tone.